No lie, it's like 38-year-old motor oil. I got 3 cans of it. Okay, it's 10W, 20W, 40. They're all the same. I got 3 cans. Okay, they're full of oil. This is no joke, you know. And so I got 3 of those. My truck takes, and this is, I just drained the old oil. There's the old filter. Put a new filter. So I got 3 of those, and then I got these Castrals. And just to show you something, there's no barcode on these. Just so you know, because like you newbies don't know what's going on. Up until, let's see, this is Wikipedia here. Motor oil packaging. Motor oil came in glass bottles, metal cans, and metal/cardboard, which is what this is, before the advent of modern plastic bottles, which started to appear in the 80s. So those 3 cans are pre-1980. So let's say 79, 89, 99, 2009. Okay, that's 30 years. And then add 4 for 2013. Minimum 34-year-old motor oil. We're going to put it right in my truck just to show you guys what's going on and my trust in the Shell Motor Oil Company of the 1970s. So this oil was manufactured like 34 years before that motor was manufactured. And then as bonus footage, we're going to take the used motor oil, okay? And this is the bonus footage. We're going to bring it over to the home heating oil tank over there. We're going to dump it in there. We're going to burn it up in the hot water heater and the home heating system. What we got to do, we're just going to take the bung out of the top of the oil tank, okay? Take the bung out of the top of the oil tank, put the funnel in there. We're going to pour the oil in there. And I don't want none of you haters hating on me because I've been doing that for over 30 years, you know, since I started changing oil, driving and stuff. 1978 maybe. Now in the old days they used to have this like funnel that you'd stick in the top of those cardboard/metal cans, and then you would pour it in. But I don't have one of those funnels no more, one of those spouts no more, so we're going to use this funnel. We're going to pop the top of the cans with a bayonet just to make it look cool for YouTube. So there's our funnel. Okay, here's the, you know, this is not a joke. I'm not like faking anybody. You can see the funnel's right in there. Okay, this is a Chevy truck. It's a modern Chevy truck. It's a 2500 HD. It's got like the 6-liter gas engine in it. Okay, here's first can. Bayonet. Down the guzzle, down the gullet. Second can. The only thing is I'm just wiping the dust off of these. 40 years of dust off of these freaking cans. Okay, second can. It looks nice. Ah, this freaking funnel's got a screen in it because I was using it for diesel. It's just gonna take a minute. See? Okay. There go the last one. Told you I only got 3 of these. And then because this truck takes 6 quarts, we're going to top it off with that GTX, which I don't need a bayonet to open. Alright, so there's my funnel. Here's my waste oil from the truck. Alright. Put the old bung back in. So when the oil burner service guy comes, you don't know what I've been doing. So that's it. That's a good way to get rid of your used motor oil. If you got oil heat in the house, burn it up. I mean, there's no difference between diesel, home heating oil, and used motor oil. If it's all mixed together, it's all gonna, these oil burners are gonna burn them up. I mean, that's that. So we gotta all be our own stewards of the natural resources that this planet has to offer. So, you know, be careful what you do with stuff. It's been a long time since people have been pouring motor oil down the storm drains. And this is what we're going to do.